Beautiful gloves, they're already ripped. Loosen up the plug. The car was warmed up already from a cold start. See how tight this is. Pretty tight. I'm going to see if this will come off by a simple tap. And yes, it does. So we take our washer, our plug, try my best to get it off. Let's see if the old one fits. I chose not to use it the last time. This oil change was helpful to you. Run into a little bit of an issue. Try to find a way to resolve it. And that was with the bigger plumber's wrench. Putting on the correct filter, putting the correct amount of oil around the ring, having the car warmed up would have probably prevented that filter from sticking. So on that note, have a great day, and thank you for viewing.